my good friends and hopefully future good friends. I am Dr. Taco, and this time I am back with some very important things. I'm trying to make each video as impactful and long lasting throughout your day as possible. So with that said, I figured this subject is the most important thing you should ever know how to do, and that is to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. All right, let me take that back. To make the world's best peanut butter and jelly sandwich. That means as soon as you make that peanut butter and jelly sandwich, that is the best peanut butter and jelly sandwich in the world. Then it's gone, and then the next person who makes the same sandwich after. Wait. So if two people make the same sandwich at the same time, which one's the best then? I'm Dr. Taco here to give you some paradox changing peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Before I drop my amazing wisdom on all of y'all, I would really like it if y'all would please subscribe and follow all my socials. So without further ado, let's get into that PB&J making. Yeah, man, we gonna handle our business like real men, you feel me? We're gonna take this to the kitchen. Let's go. All right, all you beautiful ladies and lads, today I will be sharing a step-by-step process of how to make the best PB&J every single time. Let's go over the utensils you will need. First, you need a knife. Make sure it's clean. Fancy flourishes. Nice. And then you're gonna need one piece of bread and a second piece of bread. You'll also need a jar of peanut butter. Peanut butter doesn't matter so much. Just make sure you do not get sweetened peanut butter. Any kind of jelly is fine if you like grape. However, I'll be using grape for this one. Make sure you also grab yourself a plate, so that way if you cause any messes, it'll land right on the plate and all is fine and not on your counter. Now, when you get inside the peanut butter, be sure to grab yourself a big old glop of peanut butter. Don't worry about them calories. Trust me, big old glop. This is how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich perfect every time. All right, now while spreading your peanut butter, you want to make sure after spreading each time you scrape the sides of the peanut butter off onto the piece of bread. While spreading the peanut butter, make sure to spread it across evenly. If you feel like you don't have enough peanut butter, make sure to grab some more. If it looks like you have too much peanut butter, it means you're doing it correctly. Now, after spreading it evenly, make sure to scrape off the peanut butter on the side of the bread. That's the biggest key into not getting peanut butter inside the jelly. Always start with peanut butter first. Be sure to put the lids back on top of the jars as well. Now, get a good amount of jelly. I'm trying to make sure the camera sees the jelly. We got on a good amount, maybe a little too much. I like to do a little less jelly than peanut butter. Whoops. As you can see, we brought the plate just in case we cause a mess and we miss a little bit. It's no problemo. Now do the same that we did with the peanut butter and spread the jelly across evenly. Try to cover the whole piece of bread with it. Since the jelly landed on the plate, we're easily able to scrape it up and add it to our sandwich. Same thing with the peanut butter. We make sure we scrape off all the jelly we can on the side of the bread. The open white spaces of the bread, try to scrape off your knife. And now, here comes the most intense part of all, the joining of two pieces of bread to finalize the sandwich. Everyone hold on to your seats for this miraculous moment. Now with these methods of how to make this peanut butter and jelly sandwich, your knife will be just as clean, so if you make more than one sandwich, you won't get peanut butter inside the jelly or jelly inside the peanut butter. This is great in preventing you from having to clean your knife each time you make a sandwich. Sometimes I make 2 or 3 peanut butter and jelly sandwiches a day. Ooh, look at that peanut butter and jelly, looks delicious. Thank you everybody for watching, and I will see you in the next one.